Alright, in this video I will show you how to change the trunnions, upgrade the trunnions on LS Rocker arms. Now what happens is if you have a high lift cam or you plan to go high RPM, this comes apart, the cage comes apart from the bearings and needles go all over the place, and that's bad news for your engine. So we don't want that. So we're using this kit from TIC Performance SD1370. It's a bushing trunnion kit. It comes with these bronze bushings to replace those caged needle bearings, and it comes with the trunnions. It also comes with assembly lube and C-clips. This is the CompCamps tool that we're using for CompCams. It's part number 54702-TL, and this is what it looks like, and it goes on your vise. And you'll also need, I like to use a small little flathead to push the C-clips around once we install them. You also need a C-clip installation tool. So let's begin. This is nice because it comes with a magnet in the back, and you pop that right there. Then you take the rocker arm and it sits right there. Then you take this tool, you take the smaller end of this to pop the trunnion out. And it's gonna pop a little bit, and it's gonna pop out right there. Popped right out. Now this is what happens to your engine once this falls apart. All these needle bearings go all over the place. So this is all garbage now. Now clean the inside over here where the trunnion sits. It's nice and clean. We use some assembly lube, very little. Inside where the bushings are going to sit, the bronze bushings, same thing here. Now we could put this back on the tool, just like so for now, and leave that there. Take a little assembly lube, put inside and outside that. Take the tool and put this on the smaller side of the tool, sits nicely over there, and now you could squeeze this in. Squeeze this in until it's pretty much flush and you can't see the bronze bushing over here anymore. Just like that. So that's installed on one end. Alright, now take some assembly lube, put it over here, make sure it goes in the grooves. Same thing on this side. So that's done. You can install that in here. Make sure when you install this, the flat spot is on top of the rocker arm because that's where the bolt head is going to sit. And now take the other bronze bushing and coat that with some assembly lube. Pop that over there. And now you're going to take the wider part of this tool and it's going to sit just like that on the bronze bushing and put this whole assembly inside the tool on the vise. Just like that. And now you could squeeze her in. Squeeze it in the hole. Usually have problems with this, but it's all about the lube, baby. The butter sauce makes it happen. It's the magic sauce. And same thing here, until you can't see the bronze bushing anymore, and that's all the way in. And that turns nicely. Okay, now put the tool in here. I like to push it down with one finger, open it up, and it goes right in. And same thing on the other side. Put it on here. Put the tool on here. Hold on a second. Push it down with one finger, and it's on. Now the next thing I like to do is I like to hold the trunnion with one hand so it doesn't move, and move the C-clip around. That means it's fully seated. And just give it one more whirl on the other side, and that's fully seated too. And you are done, baby. Now you gotta do 15 more, so have fun. Thanks for watching. If you want to see an LS swap, by the way, I'm in the middle of doing a video on it. I'm going to put the link below when I'm done. So look out for that. But subscribe to my channel if you like mechanical things. Like me and share me. See ya!